Welcome to my channel product review top 5. Here are the top 5 clamp meter. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 5. Clamp meter. The BSIDE ACM91 digital clamp meter is a versatile and reliable multimeter, ideal for both professionals and DE enthusiasts. It offers AC/DC current measurement down to 1 mA with true RMS accuracy, ensuring precise readings. The auto-ranging feature simplifies operation, while the NCV function allows safe live wire detection. Additionally, it measures temperature, frequency, and capacitance, making it a multifunctional tool. Compact and user-friendly, the ACM91 combines accuracy, safety, and convenience in one robust, portable device. Number 4. Clamp meter. The Unity UT204 Plus UT202A Plus ACM parametric clamp meter is a versatile and reliable tool for any workshop. It accurately measures up to 600 AAC current and features a convenient hook clamp designed for easy one-handed operation. The meter also supports NCV detection, making it safe for live wire checks. Its digital display is clear and precise, while compact construction ensures portability. Ideal for electricians and DE enthusiasts, this clamp meter delivers professional-level performance in a durable, user-friendly package. Number 3. Clamp meter. The FNIRS IDM C100 clamp meter is a versatile and reliable tool for electricians and hobbyists alike. With 10,000 counts and 600 AAC/DC current measurement, it delivers precise readings for a wide range of electrical tasks. The digital display is clear and easy to read, while the USB charging adds convenience. Compact and user-friendly, it includes essential safety features for secure operation. Ideal for workshops, home projects, and professional use, this clamp meter balances accuracy, portability, and durability in one handy device. Number 2. Clamp meter. The NJTYT26C Professional Leakage Current Test Digital Clamp Meter is a precise and reliable tool for electricians and technicians. With a measurement range of 20 mA to 60 A and 0.01 A accuracy, it ensures accurate leakage detection. Its auto-range feature simplifies readings, while the ergonomic design makes handling comfortable during extended use. Durable and efficient, this clamp meter is ideal for troubleshooting electrical systems safely. A must-have tool for professionals needing precise current measurement and reliable performance in their daily work. Number 1. Clamp meter. The Habitist HT208 digital clamp meter is a versatile and reliable tool for electricians and DE enthusiasts. With a 1000 AAC/DC current range and 1000 V voltage capability, it delivers precise true RMS measurements. Its clamp design ensures safe, hands-free current testing, while the multimeter functions cover capacitance resistance and continuity. The clear digital display enhances readability, and its durable build handles tough work environments. Overall, the HT208 combines accuracy, safety, and convenience in a compact, professional-grade tester. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.